Everybody, this is the practice module for change of subject to the formula. Now what you can do is, as you have seen the earlier video, what you can do is you can pause and try to solve this, and I'm going to explain you the answers after you finish trying. So you can pause now and try. In the first formula you have to make z the subject. In the second formula you have to make x the subject. In the second last you have to make L, and here you have to make x the subject of the formula. Your time starts now. You finished trying. Now you can check your answers out here. So let me explain in the first example. I wanted to make z the subject of the formula. So what we do is, first of all, as you want to make z the subject, you have to make sure that z is isolated one side. So I can see that 4x is a garbage value. I can send it the other side. Here it's adding positive 4, it will subtract. So that's how it become x negative 4x positive 2. So this is positive 4, it's going to become negative 4. So negative x minus negative 4, x is negative 3x plus 2 as it is, and square root of 2z minus 3. Now if you remove the square root other side, it becomes square of the whole term. So 3x, negative 3x plus 2, the whole square plus 3 is equals to 2z you're going to get. So if you divide both the side by 2, you're going to get this. Now sometimes examiners expect you to simplify this. So that's going to be 9x square, a minus b the whole square formula. You can apply a square minus 2ab plus b square. So I'm going to do 9x square minus 2 times 2 into 3. So 2 into 3 is 6, twice 2 is 12x, plus positive 4 because that's your 2 square, and plus it's going to be 3 here. So this is 3 here, and so this is going to become 7. So you can take 9x square minus 12x plus 7 over 2 as your answer. Now the second one is, why I wanted to make x the subject of the formula. So you first of all, you could bring up x one side. You open up the bracket and you bring x one side. So 3xy minus 3x is 4 plus 5x. So you're going to get x times 3y minus 8 equals to 4. So when you remove x common, so 3y is left out here, 3 is left here, negative 5. So you could have in fact simplified out here itself, and you get this answer, x as 4 over 3y minus 8. Now the little tricky one is out here. So the question which was, the way to make the subject was L. So when you have square root and you take the squares both the sides, you're going to get t squared, the whole square is going to be like t to the power 4. Then you cross multiply because this is like a single number. Okay, so you're going to put a bracket around it. Now L plus 3 is equals to t to the power 4 times 2L minus 3. Now you're going to open up the bracket. So L plus 3 equals to 2t to the power 4 times L minus 3 to the power 4. Now when you take, now I have to make L the subject, so I'm going to collect all the terms one side. So L minus 2t to the power 4 times L equals to minus 3 to the power 4 minus 3. So you're going to get this. Now you take L common. If you take L from here, you're going to get 1 minus 2 to the power 4 is equals to this. And eventually you're going to get L as this upon 1 minus 2 times t to the power 4. I hope this helped you. So this is the main important stuff, like, we have to cross multiply, collect the terms together, and take common and divide other side. That's the most important step. The last one is, you wanted to make x the subject of the formula. So you throw the garbage value other side. So 5 out 3 other side is adding out here. Then it's going to become 3z minus 5. Then you take 2x minus 3 the whole cube root other side. Cube other side goes cube root. Then you add 3 other side. Then divide by 2. Alright, hope this practice session helped you. You have the next 4 set of problems again ready for you. You can pause this video after you see the question, and then you can try them. So here are the 3 new problems that you can try, and everywhere what you have to do is you have to make x the subject of the formula. So you can pause this video now and you can try the questions. Hope you finished trying the questions. Now here are the answers for them. So what you can do for the first question is you're going to cross multiply this out here, open up the bracket, collect the x terms together, non-x terms other side, I took x squared common from here, so that's going to be 1 minus 3 times y is equals to negative 6y negative 4. Now x squared is going to be negative 6y negative 4 over 1 minus 3y. Then you can just take x equals to plus or minus square root of the whole stuff. Possibly your answer can be, if you take negative common and negative common from here and cancel them, you're going to get 6y plus 4 over 3y minus 1. So that's your other possible answers. Now look at this one. You want to make x the subject, so it's going to be cube root of x minus 3 is equals to y plus 2. So x minus 3 is going to be y plus 2 the whole cube. So x going to be 3 plus y plus 2 the whole cube. That's going to be your answer. Because this is cube root, there's going to be cube other side. But before you cube other side, you have to send 2 other side, because it's cube root of only x minus 3, not the whole of this. Coming back to the last example, that's your 2 times square root of x minus 3y equals to 4. First you send 3y other side, so you're going to get root x equals to 4 plus 3y divided by 2, because 2 is multiplying here. And if you square the other side, you're going to get x equals to 4 plus 3y the whole square upon 2. And if you open up the bracket with a plus b the whole square, it's going to be 16 plus 4 3s are 12 times 2. A plus b the whole square is a square plus, remember that, a plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. And don't just write on a plus b the whole square is a square plus b square. That's wrong. And that's going to be 9y square, and here 2, this power belongs to 2 as well. That's how it's going to be 2 square, which is 4. Hope this series of questions help you understand the subject. Now watch the next video on indices for better clarity of the concept.